Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making moist, tender, and a little bit chewy coconut macaroons, my all-time favorite. Coming up. To begin, in a large mixing bowl, add in 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Followed by 3 cups of shredded unsweetened coconut flakes. To that, add in 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 medium-sized egg whites. With a spatula, mix it all in until all the ingredients have been thoroughly combined. Then, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. And the easiest and best way to do this is to scoop it out with a cookie scoop. Place on the parchment paper about 2 inches apart. Now bake at 325 degrees for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, they would look like this. Now we have to let them cool off. And after they have cooled off completely, we're dipping them into melted chocolate. Dip each one of them and place them onto another piece of parchment paper. Now let them cool off for at least 30 minutes. After they have cooled off completely, you may transfer them onto a serving platter. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, coconut macaroons. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.